Hi everyone, this is Molly, your host. Today we are watching Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer. So excited. The beginning of life. Oh my gosh, I'm already so excited about this. I've heard about this music video before and that it's a really good one. Peter Gabriel is just an artistic genius on so many levels. So I'm expecting this music video to like knock me off my socks. Knock me off my rocker, knock my socks off, whatever. He looks so young.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me.
Okay, already this is so creative. Oh, Peter Gabriel, you are just awesome. This is not one of my favorite Peter Gabriel songs. It's actually probably my least favorite Peter Gabriel song, but maybe by the end of watching the music video, I'll like it more.
I'll be anything you need. You could have a big dipper going up and down all around the bend.
Oh my gosh, that was so cool. He was like on his own roller coaster journey, but on a chalkboard. How fun is that? Ooh, this is really cute.
Have a fun the car bumping. There's amusement never ends.
Oh my gosh, those bumper cars are so cute. Ah!
I wanna be Sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be a sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Were those little origami birds dancing around his head? If they were, nicely done.
Yeah. Show me around your fruitcakes, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruitcakes.
Oh my gosh. This is so good, you guys. Oh, thank you for the suggestion. Wow.
That fruit as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Better call the sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
There's a lot going on in this video. Like every single scene, it has a little story in and of itself. How long did it take to make this?
Sledgehammer. No doubt about it.
That might be my favorite part so far. Then the little guy coming out. This is so good. looks like there was a little tribute there to that one artist. I don't remember, was it Pollock? Who did like the splashy art? Okay, these dancing chickens are by far the best part of this video. Yes. Sorry, bumper cars, or that part with little guy coming out. This is awesome. Why is this so good? Oh my goodness. The colors, the animation, everything. Woo! Oh, wow. Woo! Ooh, it's still going. It's still going. Where's he headed? Into the universe, maybe? Wow! Peter Gabriel, Sledgehammer! Woo! Yes! Let's go! Wow, that was really amazing. Like, that really did blow my mind. I want to watch that one again right now. There were so many things, and I think I missed a lot, but wow, so creative. Peter Gabriel. Woo, I love your music. I love your voice. I never liked this song very much, but I definitely am enjoying it a lot more after seeing this music video. Thank you so much for that suggestion, whoever suggested that. I only react to the songs that you suggest, so if you have any suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel for more fun. This is Molly. Oh, I need to do the Molly scale rating. Okay, on the Molly scale rating for Peter Gabriel's Sledgehammer, before this video, I would have rated the song like a 5. I'm sorry, I know. It has a huge following, but for me, it just doesn't knock it. But with this video is definitely a 10, right? Maybe even an 11. I don't know, it's not a 6, 7. Had to try to throw that in there somehow. It didn't really work, did it? No. Okay, on the Molly scale rating, Peter Gabriel, Sledgehammer, I'm giving you a solid 10. I want to give you a 10.3. Yes, 10.3. Even though it only goes up to 10. Okay, that was amazing! Yes, thank you. What do we have up next? Send me your suggestions. Let's play. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. This is Molly, your host. Peace out. Sledgehammer. That was so good, you guys. Oh, yeah, I like that one. Dancing chickens.